In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bookmarks in Google Chrome. By the end, you'll have your saved sites from another browser or device neatly added to Chrome, ready to use. All you need is your bookmark file, which is typically an HTML file you previously exported from another browser or computer. Start by opening Google Chrome. Give it a second to load fully so all menus are available. Then head to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This is Chrome's main menu, and it's where most of the browser's settings and tools live. If your window is narrow, you might need to maximize it to see the icon clearly. In the menu that opens, move your mouse over Bookmarks and Lists. Don't click yet, just hover. This reveals the Bookmarks sub-menu, which contains tools for organizing and managing your saved links. From that sub-menu, click Open Bookmarks Manager. The Bookmarks Manager opens in a new tab. This is the central place where you can see all your bookmark folders, search through them, and perform actions like importing and exporting. At the top of the Bookmarks Manager, click the three dots again. This is the Actions menu specific to bookmarks. It looks similar to the main menu, but it controls options just for the manager. Choose Import Bookmarks. When you click this, your file picker will pop up. This is where you point Chrome to the bookmark file you want to bring in. Most of the time, that file ends with .html and might be named something like Bookmarks HTML. If you're not sure where it is, check your Downloads folder or the location you saved it when you exported it. Select your bookmark file and confirm to upload it. Chrome will read the file and add those bookmarks to your library. In many cases, they'll appear in a folder called Imported, either in the Bookmarks bar or within the Other Bookmarks section. If you already had bookmarks in Chrome, the imported ones won't overwrite them. They'll be added alongside your existing folders. You can drag and drop them within the Bookmarks Manager to reorganize later if you like. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome. Use the three-dot menu to get to Bookmarks and Lists. Open the Bookmarks Manager. Use its three-dot menu. Choose Import, and select your bookmark file. Once the import finishes, explore the imported folder to confirm everything came through, and you're ready to browse with all your familiar links at your fingertips.